Hello, automation animal lovers. Welcome back to it. And in this session, we are going to see the use of string actions in the automation anywhere control room. So, first of all, we will create a variable of string type. I have these two variables, sample string 2, and we can see the data type is string. And when we go to actions and we can see string package, and there are a lot of actions under this string package: assign, extract text, compare, and all. So automation anywhere A360's string package provides a collection of actions for manipulating and working with strings. These actions can be used to perform various tasks such as extracting substrings, replacing characters, converting strings to different format, and validating string formats. So there are a lot of actions. We will see the use of all these actions. Assign. So this assign action is available in all the packages of data types, means number, string, boolean, etc. So we use this assign actions for assigning a string value to a string variable. For example, if I enter a value, and we can assign this to a string variable, and see one thing, you can see this double quotes mark in front of this name. So this is the symbol or icon for the string. You can see here as well, there are a lot of in front of all the actions we can see this sign, and similarly when we go to variable we can see this sign in front of string variables only. For numbers we use this hash, and for string we use this name. So if we see a long list of variables, we can identify their data types by checking this icon only. See, this is the flag, means boolean type of data type. So this is the trick to identify the data type without opening the details or properties of the variable. So next action is our extract text. Extract text, as its name suggests, it is we use this action to extract the text from a particular string. For example, if we have a string, let me give a value here, and also we can give a variable name as well. Okay, so for example, I have this string, and I want to get characters after a particular text. For example, if I want character after this anywhere, and occurrence is one, means if there are multiple anywhere, so we can decide, for example, if we have multiple anywhere in this text, so we can set the occurrence as well, means after second occurrence or after third occurrence, like that. But as of now we have only one occurrence, so we are using one. And we can also give another condition before. So if you want to get the text before this anywhere, you can use this condition, and again occurrence will be one. We can give occurrence more, means we can give the occurrence if there are multiple variable or multiple text available for which we are for means which we are giving here, the text which we are giving. So it could be optional as well. I mean, it is optional, so you can leave it empty as well. And if you want to use both, like after and before, so we have this function before and or after, means you can give before, like I want to get this anywhere, I want to extract this anywhere, so I will give before A360, and after any, sorry, this is for after, so in, and I will give A360, and in before I will sorry, here it is for after, start after text, so I will give automation here. So it will extract the text which is after automation and before A360. So we have applied two conditions. So it will extract the text which is after automation and before A360. And if we give or, So now what it will check, that it will first go to the string and it will see the first condition is true, like start after text automation. So after, as soon as it comes to this, so it will extract the whole text. So here it is checking two conditions. If either of the condition is true, then it will extract the text. So after automation, it is correct. So it will extract this. And in case if we give like incorrect spelling or something else, so let's say if I give automation, so the spelling is incorrect, but it is looking for automation. So it will not find this automation in this. So it will check for the another condition, which is A360 before A360. So it will come here and it will extract this text before A360 automation anywhere. Like this it will work. And if we give AND condition, then it will check for both the conditions. Now let's say if no match found, then what will you want to like return? If you want source string, you can give, and if you want a null string, you can check this. And number of characters to get, you can limit your search. Means if you need only 5 characters or not 4 characters, you can give the count of characters here as well. And also this is the another condition. Means if you want only, I mean, you can assign maximum characters there. Means I need up to 10 characters. So in result, you can get 10, 9, 8, 7, means less than 10 characters. And next one is when extracting, if you want to match the case as well, means the uppercase, lowercase, if you want to match, you can give this. Otherwise, you can select this, do not match case. And if you want to trim the extracted text, means whatever it will extract, you want to trim it, you can select this or check this. And also if you want to remove the new line character, means enter from the extracted text, you can check this. And this is the output. This will be used for saving the output. Okay, so this is how we can use extract text feature. Next one is compare. Compare, as its name suggests, if you want to compare two strings, and for example, if I'm giving automation and in here I'm giving automation, so let's see what will we get. And in this we will get an output in the form of flag or boolean. So if it is true, if this comparison, it will perform the comparison, and if it is true, means if source string is equal to this compared to string, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. And also we can use string cast operator, means in message box we can give the value of strings only, means we can print the messages which in which data type is string. But if I want to print this result variable, and the data type of this result variable is boolean, so it is not allowing me to write this here. So I will convert this into string. So for this I will write dot, and here you can see suggestions are to string. So result dot boolean, boolean is the data type of result, and from boolean to string we are doing the type conversion. So let me run this. And also this type of comparison we can do in the if condition as well. You can check out our this if conditions video. The link is given in the description box and also in I button. Okay, we are getting false because that condition is false, means that string is not equal to automation is not equal to automation. We have m in the end, and here we have n. So this is how we can compare two string. And let's move to the next action. Next action is evaluate variable. For example, if we have one variable, we like let's say this name variable, and we want to evaluate its value, we can use this. And also we can assign multiple variable as well. And also we can evaluate the values of the variables, means if a string, if variable 1 has a value city name and city name has the value Paris, means where variable 1 contains another value, another variable which is city name, But city name contains a value. It doesn't contain variable, it contains a value which is the city name, which is Paris. So when we variable one will resolve to Paris. Means if we can do two things, see in assign, in assign actions, we can like give two type of we can enter two type of things. First one is we can like hard code the value, or we can write the value directly here. Means name we can give A360. This is the like string value, and also we can give the variable name, and here we can assign this value to another variable, sample string. So in evaluate we can fetch this value. So if we give sample string here, and sample string contains name, and whatever value name contains, we will get in this sample string too. So like this we can use evaluate compare a variable. Next action is find action. Source string, for example, we have source string automation, and we want to find a string, let's say A360, and we can save the result in a sample string number, and we can use a message pop. So we are getting 22 in the output because we are getting the index of the A360 in this in the string. We have this string automation anywhere, the spelling is incorrect. So we can see correct length position of the A360.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
So this A360 is present at 22nd index, so we are getting 22. So find action is find action will give the index of the substring, and with extract we can extract the text using. Next action is length. If you want to calculate the length of the string, for example, we have this string and we want to calculate the length, so we will use this. There are 22, 3, 4, 5 characters, and in number we can print this. And next one is lowercase. So if you want to convert your string into a lowercase, it will convert that text into lowercase. Means we have automation anywhere is 60, and if we want to convert this into lowercase, we will give the source string here, and here we will get the output. Similarly, we have action for uppercase as well, and also in message box we are converting a number to a string. Similarly, we can do from string to a number. Means if we have a string and we know this string contains a number, let's say 10, 20, 30 something. So we can convert that string into a number using this section to number. And we can also convert this into local number as well, and in Boolean as well. So we have these three actions for type conversion. If we have true or false, so we can convert that string into Boolean. And substring, we can extract a substring. Using find action, we were getting the index of the substring, but with this substring action, we can get that substring. For example, we have automation anywhere, and we want to extract a particular substring. We can give the length, index, means I need from length from 7 to 10 or like that. And if you need a particular length of string, you can give the length like 20, 30, 15. Means I need 20 characters, and it should start from index 1, and it will extract the 20 character from the index 1. Similarly, if we give index 10, it will extract the 20 characters from the this one from the 10th index. And if you need a blank means if that range is not found, means if we are giving 100 here, and this in this string we don't have 100 character, so it will not find this index, so it will give the blank range. it will give the blank value. So we can save the result in our any string variable. And split, if you want to split your string into a particular, I mean, if I have a string and it contains a lot of blank spaces, or it could be a special character like comma, semicolon, etc. I want to split that string using that character. For example, I'm using blank space, so I will give blank space here, and we can check. Means if you are using a character means for example, if I'm giving a b or something, so it will check the case sensitivity. Means if I'm giving a, then it will check for small a only, it will not check for capital A. And if I want to do this, so I will select this case sensitive, and if I want it will check for both small a caps A, so I can select this non case sensitive. And split into substrings, all possible or only. Means if you want for example, if I am splitting this by a blank space and I want to split all the substrings which are in which we have space, so we will get 1 2 3 4 5 or 6 substrings. But I want to limit it my search, so I will select only give me only 2 or 3 result, so I can limit it my search as well. And again we can save the result into a list variable. See, list, because we will get a list, and in this example we will get 6 items in the list. Next one is reverse. If you want to reverse your string, for example, if we have this string and we want to reverse this, so it will return the reverse of this string. We can save result in our collection, in our string variable. And here we go, we got rewards of the automation anywhere 360. You can see 063A, then anywhere is reversed and automation is reversed as well. And if you want to generate some random strings, for example, sometimes we need random strings for our password or some another requirements, we can use this action, generate random string. And one is trim. I think we skip this trim if you want to remove the blank spaces from the beginning and ending of your string. For example, if I have multiple blank spaces after A360, see, we have blank spaces after A360, lot of blank spaces, so we can trim this. And also we can select a trim from the beginning, trim from the end. We can select as per our requirements, and we can save the result into name variable. One trick I would like to share is like if I go to a sign action and I want to use something, means I have this name variable and the data type of this variable is string. So I will go to here, before this dollar sign, I will enter a dot or a period, and as soon as I enter this, I can see all the actions here itself. See all the actions which we discussed here on the left hand side, you can see. So we can see it here as well. Means no need to like if I want to use 5 or 6 actions, so no need to use like this type of action. We can use the actions, I mean no need to drag drop the actions from the left hand side. You can just take a assign action and just directly use the actions here. Means I want to calculate the length of this string, and then see now length is in number, but I want to convert this into a string because I can't give a number value in the string assign action. So I will convert this length into number. See, I have applied two actions on the string variable. First, name dot string, the data type of the name is string, and string then colon length. So it will get the length. Now the length is in number, so number to string. We are using one more action of number class, number package, not the string package. It is the action of number package. See, In number, we have this package to string. This one we are using it here. Similarly, we can apply one more action dot reverse. Now if we get length 89, so it will convert that 89 into string, and then it will reverse the 89 to 98. So like that we can apply multiple functions or multiple actions on the one variable, and also in one line. No need to add multiple actions from this from left side. Just use an assign stage and apply apply multiple actions on one variable. And for example, I want to add one more action, so I will click dot and then trim. See, trim, one more action. So this is how we can use multiple actions on the string, and no need to use multiple actions. In the code, just choose one action and apply multi actions in itself. So this will get the length and reverse the length, then trim the length. Everything we can do in one line only. Okay, guys. So this is the string in Automation Anywhere A360's control room. So you can manipulate the string. You can use actions as per your requirements. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Do comment your doubts.